My dear child, take a deeper look at your plans and goals and rework them as needed. It may be time for a rest. Take a careful look at your plans and make sure that what you are doing is leading you in the direction of your goals. You may have made an incorrect assumption or missed a small but important detail. My child, know that great plans are written in pencil because they change all the time. They grow as you grow. They became clear as you became more aware. A rocket going to the moon is of course more than 80% of the time. But it still lands there because the engineer clearly knows the destination. Because they have a plan. They know when they are off track and know how to realign to reach their mark. So take a little time today to make sure your goals and dreams are not out of divine order. It is okay to use your eraser and hit the reset button. Reset, reboot, refocus, realign, readjust, restart, and reclaim as many times as you need to. Just don't quit. That is how you finish strong. There is a new wave of energy making its way to you. My child, know that the transformation will test you in the beginning because it teaches you how to bend without breaking. The transition will make a mess in the middle because it shows you how to create your change. The manifestations at the end will make you marvel at how things miraculously work out better than you can expect. Remember, there will always be a test before the testimony. Now, time for today's affirmations. This week, I have decided what kind of life I want, and I am going after my happiness. I will know when to stay still and rest and reset. I will know when to wait and use the in-between time to prepare for even more. I am divinely ahead of me is cleared. Amen.